Hello engineers, this is one PC user, and in this AutoCAD tutorial I want to tell you how to draw zero, how to draw how to draw circle, how to create circle in AutoCAD, and how to use circle command in AutoCAD. So without wasting time, let's get started. There are basically 6 methods to use circle command, and before you use circle command, make sure that you have disabled ortho mode. You can enable and disable ortho mode by pressing F8. I have not selected any line command, so it is not currently using ortho mode. But if I will press F8, then it will turn it on, and if I will press F8 again, then it will turn it off. So let's escape from this command and make sure you have enabled this command, this circle in object snap, and enabled this O snap. You can just click here to enable and disable it, but keep it enabled if you are using circle command. This is just a tips from one PC user. So if you want to use circle command, then you just have to write here in command line circle CI. This is the shortcut for circle command. Then simply press enter, and in case you know the radius of any circle and you want to draw circle, then first you have to specify center point for this circle. Then simply click here wherever you want to draw circle, then give your dimension. In my case, I will just give your dimension 10 for just example. Then I will simply press enter. As you can see here, you just drawn this circle, and in some case you might not have radius of circle, but you might have diameter of circle. And if you know basic mathematics, then you will definitely multiply radius of that circle with 2. I mean, if you want to get radius, then you will divide it by 2 in order to get radius. But if you are using AutoCAD, then you don't have to do that, because AutoCAD give us one option to draw circle with diameter. So I will tell you how to do that. First we will write here circle command, enter. Then I will simply write here D, enter. Now I will specify first point. Again I will give here diameter 20. I think I done any mistake, so I will erase this, because this is the radius, this is not a diameter. So I will erase this and use this command again, circle. I will specify a first point as I done last time. Now as you can see here, it is using radius. It is showing here radius. You can see here this yellow line, it is representing, and it is also showing here some radius, value of radius in blue section. And if I want to draw circle with diameter, then I will simply write here D. I will not write here D, I will write here D. Now we will draw this in diameter. Now I will give you a diameter 20, enter. Let's measure the radius of both of these circles. I will measure from here. I will do same for this circle too. Let's check here. As you can see here, I used a radius command for this circle and used a diameter for this circle, and radius of both of those circle is 10. So I think now you know how to draw circle by using value of diameter and radius. Let's erase this. And in some case there might be 3 points, and you want to draw circle which touches those 3 points, and I would like to draw one triangle to explain that, so I will simply use here line command, and in this case I will turn on ortho mode. I am doing this for just explaining you how to use that, so I will give here dimension 10 because 10 is my favorite dimension. 10. Now I will turn ortho mode, and then I will complete this triangle. So for example, you want to draw any circle which touches these three corners, then what will you do? Then you will just click here, then select here 3 point, and then simply select all of these 3 points. As you can see here, we have just drawn circle which passes through these 3 points, and in some case you might know the radius of 2 points, radius of the circle, and it touches these two lines, but you don't know where it touches, but you know the radius. In that case you can use this option, 2 point something, whatever it is. Let's select here 2 points. I will turn it up and point, and then I will again select here 2 point. Sorry, I will select here 10 radius. I will select this point and this point, and then give here dimension 3. I think 3 will be enough. And now I will erase this line and this line. As you can see here, in order to get curved shape, we can use this kind of command. And in some case, and third method and last method is line passes through three points. So for that I will simply draw any circles randomly, give here dimension 10. I will again do the same. Now I want to draw circle which touches all of the edges of these circles, all the edges of these 3 circles. Then I will simply write here circle command, enter. Now I will write here 3p because I want to draw circle which touches three circles. Then I will turn here off this center wire, and then I will start selecting points. This one, then this one, and this one. As you can see here, we just drawn this circle which touches the edges of these 3 circles. I think I have shown you all the 3 methods. I think I forget to tell you this method. So let's explain. Now I will explain this method. So let's draw the line. For explaining this, I will draw one line here. I will turn ortho mode on. To draw line straight, I will give here dimension 10 because 10 is my favorite dimension. I will escape from this command and then I will use this command again. I want to draw use here projection. I will again use here dimension 10. Now I want to draw circle between these two lines. Then I can simply do that from here. I will simply use this point and this point. As you can see here, I have just drawn by using this command. I think I have explained all the 6 methods to draw lines, draw circles. I hope you enjoyed this video and this was the helpful video to you. Now you can get lost.